Actually, I'm just hearing something.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Ayan and I'm the trainer of the gym. Hello, sir. Hello.
Nice.
My name is Mushari. Actually, sir, we come for the admission to join this gym. So, can
Can
we
you
meet
talk?
the owner? Sure. Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Sofil.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
My name is Naushad Ahmed. Nice to meet you,
Nice
sir.
to meet you too, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Actually, sir, we come at here to join this gym.
Because of gymming, I want to go in like modeling. So because of that, I want to join this gym.
And what's your plan about your body?
Actually, sir, after few years, I will go out of India. So definitely for that we require physical health. It should be good personality. So actually, you can look at me. I just required for that. That's why I came here.
As you saying for modeling,
Yeah.
so you require as a fit body.
Yes.
But in modeling there is many kind of bodies there.
Yeah.
As a muscular, as a fit. So what kind of body do you want?
I need a very fit body.
Sir, actually, we don't require a muscular body because we are not going in like challenges and all. Okay, in like bodyguard and all. Actually, we want to just make our personality. So we want to make just fit body.
Yeah. And it's all about your diet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to determine for yourself.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to come regular.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it the
Yes.
point? And
So
if
what's
you
the
will,
timing schedule?
timing is 5:30 to 9:30. And
Evening.
same in evening.
Okay.
Morning and evening.
Morning and
is
evening.
it same?
Oh, nice.
And you can see the machines. There
Yeah.
is all advanced age.
Actually, sir, can you tell us the name of trainer? Who is trainer here?
Yeah, there is Ayan.
Okay.
He is inside the gym. You
How many experience here?
He have 7 years experience.
7 years experience.
You
From
go
how
and
long
can-
this gym is running?
It's running since I think 10 years.
Oh, 10 years.
Since 10 years.
Since 10 years.
That's really good.
Okay, nice.
But actually, it's looking too good. I
Yeah.
think you just decorate it.
Like decorate and
Have to. You can go inside and can meet with him.
Yeah, sure.
He
Sure,
can
sir.
tell you everything about the gym and
Yes, sir.
machines. And he can also give you that chart.
oh,
Okay, sir, let me go.
And there is one day, free. So
Okay,
you can
demo.
take that.
For the
One
demo
day
classes.
free.
You can take
Okay.
a demo.
Thank you,
oh,
sir.
thank you very much.
Wow, it's seriously looking very good.
Yes.
Actually, it's looking modern type of gym. Seriously.
Very nice machine.
I think this is. Hello,
Are
sir.
you Ryan?
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, sir,
So actually, sir, we came new at here as we know that we must have need to honor. So he's saying me to meet you.
to me.
Okay.
So you have talked with him.
Yeah.
So do you have any queries to me?
Yes, sir. Yes. I understand. What are the benefits to doing this?
That benefits of doing gym.
Yeah.
That you will find lots of changes. That
Right.
you came to become fitter,
Yes, sir.
right? So you will become fitter
Yeah.
by the gym, and you have to be on a diet also. That
Yeah,
gym is
that
like
is very important.
gym can change your physique completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you please tell me about the timing about this gym?
The timing of the gym is 5:30 to 9:30, and this is the same of
Evening.
evening.
Can you tell me what are the benefits of doing diet continuously and coming regularly at gym?
So doing diet continuously and coming regularly, that it's the sign of your thought process, that your thought process is clean for yourself,
Yes, sir.
and you are determined for yourself that if you will be on your path,
Yes,
on
sir.
your way, so you will find the lots of changes on your health and
Okay.
on your inner health, that your digestion issues
Yes,
are
sir.
completely solved.
So, sir, is there anybody who just like 2 months, 3 months join this?
You can meet him,
Oh,
Okay.
you can ask him anything.
thank you. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello sir,
What's your good name?
my name is Kabir.
Actually, sorry to disturb you.
It's okay.
Actually, we come here as new.
Okay.
So we were planning to join this group. So can you tell us about this gym, please?
How is it?
How is it?
It is, according to my point of view, it is very well according to other gym. because I find something new in this gym, and I spent approximately 3 months. If you saw my earlier photo and this time photo,
Yeah,
so you totally find
it's looking
different.
different, like
Yes.
like
You totally find different.
So can you explain that how was your 3 months experience?
My 3 month experience is very well. Means trainer and means owner are very good. If I have any confusion of means how use this machine, how use this machine, so I will ask to the trainer. So he means just like as a trainer, not trainer, and just like a friendly tailor me all this thing.
It's necessity for us.
Means he helped you till 3 months.
Yeah, of course.
No, actually, definitely in gym we require one company with us. So if we are not having, you are coming lonely. So if trainer is friendly with you, it's very good
It is very good.
for us.
If I didn't ask to trainer, so it's harmful to me also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So would you like to suggest anything?
Yeah, I will like to suggest if you have means if you become a model anything, so you must be doing this gym.
So have you done?
Yes, sir.
So you can do Excel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, to give your precious time.
Let me show our gym to you. What is this?
It is
This
very
is
big.
machine of cable that it's multiple. Like you can use it for every part of your body, for legs, for chest, for shoulder, for tricep, for bicep.
Okay, all rounder, yes.
This is all rounder of the gym, of every gym.
Oh,
Let's go ahead.
This is the for back. You can do back exercise with it.
You have done everything?
No.
no sir.
Now we are
Actually, I want to say something.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm watching you when you came until now. Continuously I'm watching you, continuously you are speaking English. I really got
Also
impressed
saw
from
that.
you. Because in my life I have many experience about gym, but I didn't see that people are speaking English in Mathura. It's
No,
really
I
impressive.
also-
Actually, we are the part of English Learning Academy near the Hayat Hotel, Bypass Road. So we are going regularly at there, and I just want to tell you also that if any student and relatives is there of you who want to learn English fluently and want to achieve their career and all and help guidance,
Yes, like
so they
us,
must visit.
we are speaking very
It's
fluent.
really good. And in
Yes.
Mathurana there is need of
It's continuously
Yes.
since 9 years. It's running in Makarana, and
And
lots of students got
After 2 days on 15th.
Yeah, I have listened many times the name
Yes,
of
sir.
English zone.
And after 2
Very
days,
fine.
15th September is there. On that day, English zone got established. So if anybody want to join at a time or want to check, they can also come.
Actually, it's not an academy. It seems like a family, as you said, as that that boy
That
said,
boy said.
and that the service friendly.
The environment of-
Yeah, environment totally changed. You will not feel that it's Makarana.
Yeah, I have listened the name.
That is amazing.
Definitely.
So I must say that if somebody is interested, you must
You
visit
want
us.
to be
Definitely.
even-
You should be interested.
Yeah, even one day demo class is also free.
It's like you are passing one day free.
Yeah.
Keep continuing.
So let me show you the exercise of deadlift. This is for you it's a dedicated part for deadlift, and you can do squats over here, self squats.
Yeah, I also see lots of guys goes.
Yeah,
Like that.
flying it out.
And self squats and that bend over roll
Yeah.
for the back. And let me show you flat bench
Okay.
for chest. This is also flat bench. That is the benches of that upper chest, and for lower chest this is, and for middle chest, and it's also for your chest. And
Inside chest.
It's different type of machineries are there.
you will get the different machineries over here, a part of other gyms.
Okay.
You will get the best
Really
facilities of sounds also. You will get best. That you can see them
The speakers.
best speakers.
For the motivation we require.
For the motivation we require.
Actually, as you know that like song, music and
Sound.
Music and- So here is the Swiss machine. So Prechaker. This is Prechaker that you can use for biceps and for tricep. And this is our benches that for multiple uses.
Yeah, for
Okay,
like
multiple
taking users of.
And this is our dumbbell area. That you know the uses of dumbbell.
Yes.
And that is our fixed rods for 30 kgs, 10 kgs, 15 kgs.
Okay.
you will find here that heaviest dumbbell.
Okay.
Around 40 kgs.
Every 40, it's my weight, bro.
It's your weight.
Yeah.
And you will get there the butterfly for
I
chest.
think it's discussion area that where we can discuss about.
So it's for your rest area. That
Rest area.
we have done from your exercise. So you can sit over here. Here is the frame.
Actually, why there is keys there? Also key I
This is for keys. Keys holder, key holder. That
Actually, I just see while coming inside, I just see like like
Lockers.
lockers.
lockers, we have lockers over there.
Okay, lockers
For-
keys are.
Okay.
Not lockers key. This is for your lockers key also and for your bike key also. This is for your multiple.
I think it's personal cabin. That
That is my personal. That if you have some stuff of yours like whey protein, so you can put over there, and you will get the multiple machine of over there. You can see that the uses of it.
Yeah, it's written actually.
It's written.
I think it's written that how to use this machine. right?
Yes, everything is everything is written on every machine.
Warranties
How
and
to
all,
use.
everything is written.
Yes, everything.
It's really good.
This is butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly.
Butterfly. You can use it for your shoulder and chest.
For its shoulder. Okay.
So
What that rector type is doing here?
tractor type, it's for cardio.
Okay, it's for cardio.
Yeah.
I see this tractor type in that Sultan movie.
This is the
CrossFit
CrossFit
area.
This is CrossFit area.
This is all of CrossFit area that you can hang like monkey over there.
And
Monkey hang. You can
And that is the cardio session.
Okay, the cardio session.
cardio session.
And
Yeah, I
this
see.
machine you can see.
Actually, I think most girls used to do this type of thing.
This machine you can see. No, it's for everyone. This machine you can see. You will not find in whole Nagaur.
First
Okay,
time.
that's really impressive.
And this one also for chest.
Seriously looking very good.
It's for your chest.
I think it's warm-up area, right?
It's warm-up area and it's CrossFit area.
Okay.
And you can stretch yourself over here. We have the stretching materials over here, best stretching materials.
Yeah.
Guys. So tell me for how much time you want to take it.
No, sir. Actually, I just seriously bought the best. But actually, since
We have very
1 year
less
I
time.
will there at India. So continuously for 1 year I will come there. Continuously. Yeah. Because I want to grow up my physical health.
We don't want holidays. So
Yeah, sure. Regularity, yeah, in English also we used to tell that if you will be regular, then definitely you will learn something.
Then
you take
because
holidays,
of
then you
English
don't.
on, you knows that if you will regular somewhere, so you will get the changes from there.
Yeah,
Definitely.
seriously, definitely.
Definitely.
I mean, that dedication, discipline, everything is required.
And
Everything is required. Then if you come on diet, so if you think about the gym is must, so it's your totally like wrong. That only 5% is gym and 5% is good time sleep.
Okay. Yeah, actually now generation is not doing, that good sleeping,
Good quality of sleep.
Yeah, good sleeping and not good, eating
Junk
food and
If we
other
will
foods.
not sleep good, so we can't digest our food.
Yeah.
We can't digest
And
the
we-
food.
the
Because-
mind-
I seriously got impressed, but I want to talk trainer about the gym schedule and how can you join and all.
You can join anytime, but the specific time of our gym is 5:30 to 9:30.
Okay,
In night, 5:30 to 9.
9:30. Actually, sir, in night I can be free because I'm just in morning I'm going at schools, college, and all. So in night we can come to work.
You will also come along with it.
Hello guys.
So, if you're willing to do something, go for it on the same time. Don't think for tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Along with study, you should take care about your health, and along with health, you should take care about your studies.
If you think to do, so do directly. Don't try.
As you saw the trainer of this gym, same to same the trainer of this English zone, like family members and like.
So guys, as you know that we are from English English Training Academy. So this video will be uploaded in YouTube channel of English Zone Makrana, and I hope that you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.